वेलकम बैक इन वॉचिंग क्लैपट्रैप वी आर बैक अगेन। एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है। मुझे लगता है कि ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगेगा क्योंकि हम सब जानते हैं कि चाइना किस तरह के फर्नीचर यूनिट्स प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है। कर्टेसी यूरोप एंड अमेरिका, दे हैव स्टार्टेड प्रोड्यूसिंग दीज काइंड ऑफ ब्लिंकी शाइनी मटेरियल लग्जरी फर्नीचर यूनिट्स and designed by some of the most prolific designers around the world, and they are doing the mass production as well. But there is a story behind original Chinese authentic furniture units. Chinese furniture unit is known for its craftsmen, simple yet elegant designs, and they focus on both functionality and comfort, often incorporating traditional elements into modern aesthetics. It has a very strong reflection of Indian art as well. Buddhism has, of course, a big role to play when it comes to Chinese furniture units. The key features include the use of hardwood like rosewood, elm, lacquer, finishes, and bamboo, alongside the use of metal fitting. Many pieces are designed for comfort and practicality, often with clever storage solutions and space-saving techniques. Let me give you the brief now. When we talk about the hardwood, they use high quality hardwood like rosewood, sandalwood, elm. They are favored for their durability and rich color. Lacquer is a finish with matte finish. Lacquer, particularly during the Qing dynasty, was introduced to China. And of course, India has a great role to play in this. It was used to create smooth, glossy and decorative surface, often featuring intricate painting and gliding. Bamboo is another essential when it comes to Chinese furniture units. They are lightweighted and durable. As you all know, bamboo is very lightweighted, commonly used in chairs, tables and storage units, especially in rural areas. Metal fitting is another essential part of Chinese furniture units. Practical metal fittings like hinges, drawer handles and provocative plates are used, often give very considerable emphasis, but purely decorative mounts, and they are less known for decoration purpose. Chinese furniture units, be it modern and traditional, is a balance of simplicity and sophistication with clean lines defining the pieces and avoiding harshness. Extremely sophisticated, simple. Chinese furniture units are also known for space saving because the beautiful blend and wood, the curve is very soft and comfortable. Chinese furniture units, like Indian furniture units, have evolved over the period of time. Furniture manufacturers of China are developing compact and versatile options like foldable tables, collapsible chairs, and storage beds to accommodate smaller living spaces. Chinese furniture often incorporates very clever storage and plants. In the modern age, when the Chinese furniture is actually taking a different shape, it is incorporating other materials as well, like fabric, veneers, stones, beautifully incorporated along with the traditional art of China, that is wicker, or we call it as rattan. What all can be created in Chinese furniture unit is a proper drawing room setup, bedroom setup, end table, partition, side tables, end tables, and of course office chairs, workstations, and many more. This is extremely sophisticated and demands a simulation of some classy products. It does not demand anything flashy. It will make your home look like a home. And trust me, Chinese furniture unit is very close to Indian furniture units. I'll not be surprised if you had seen something like this around in your village, in your city, or your parents using it for a long time. So try these furniture units. For any assistance, let me know in the comment section, or my number is flashing on the logo. Thank you very much. Take care.